Greetings, incredible LTDE 4304 students. Welcome to Module Week 5 of Learning Technology and Design Capstone course. In this module, you will track your progress toward the goals you've set forth during the initial weeks of the course and report this progress to stakeholders, as well as discuss your progress with classmates for feedback and support. Please carefully review the websites as well as the videos available to you before beginning Discussion Board Forum 4 as well as Discussion Board Forum 5, which are both contained within this particular module. Discussion Board 4 is entitled Managing Risk and Escalation. For this week's initial thread, there is not a required word count. You will create 2 audio recording reply posts. Your 2 reply posts will utilize the free internet-based tool called Vocaroo, linked here, and you must also create a transcript of your audio recording. This can be created as a Word document and submitted in the text box as a file. There are no formatting requirements for this document. Your 2 replies should be between 2 to 5 minutes in length. For your initial posts, please simply share your YouTube video URL to your Plan for Managing Risk and Escalation presentation as a new thread. Additional text is not required. As you respond to classmates, again, you'll include your responses as both a transcript and a Vocaroo link that will convey your response through an audio recording. And you'll want to answer the following questions. As you place yourself in the shoes of a project stakeholder, which aspects would be most meaningful and memorable to you as you review your classmates' project presentation? Also, why do you believe this to be the case? And next, from the perspective of a project stakeholder, which aspects might be modified to be even more meaningful and memorable? Please provide concrete, clear suggestions for improvement. In the event that you have not used Vocaroo before, please click here for a tutorial that will walk you through how to use this awesome tool. As instructional designers, you must also be aware of ADA compliance laws. To make sure you are in compliance with your audio presentation, you must also include a Word document transcript that you create based on your presentation. For your replies to classmates, please simply, again, post a link to your audio recordings and Word document transcripts. Additional text is not required. Your initial thread is due by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday of Module Week 5, and your 2 replies are due by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday of Module Week 5. Let's now look at Discussion Board Forum 5, entitled Tracking Project Milestones. Effective instructional designers remain conscientious of their progress toward project milestones, consistently seeking to stay mindful of whether milestones will be reached in a timely manner, in accordance with the timelines originally identified. This helps them to more effectively manage their time, as well as to proactively communicate with stakeholders when milestones will not be reached within the anticipated time frame. In these cases, adjustments must be made, and stakeholders should be aware of such situations in a timely manner. This form will help you to reflect upon your project milestones as well as those of your classmates. Your initial thread should be between 150 and 300 words in length, and of course should demonstrate course-related applications of knowledge and skills learned. Your writing within discussion forums should also demonstrate your ability to apply the basic rules of grammar and writing mechanics within professional settings. In addition to your thread, you will also create 2 audio recording reply posts using Vocaroo, and you will need to submit a Word document transcript as well. Your 2 replies should be between 2 to 5 minutes in length. Thinking back to the project milestones you identified in Module Week 2 of the course, please answer these questions. Which milestones have you already achieved? And based upon your timeline of achievement, do you believe the anticipated completion date should have been set for sooner on the calendar? Next, which milestones do you have yet to achieve? Based upon your timeline of achievement, do you believe the anticipated completion date should have been set for later? If applicable, how will you communicate any delays to your stakeholders? Please include a paragraph or two that you will share with them. This communication will also be included in your communication providing constructive criticism assignment next week. For your 2 replies submitted with Vocaroo and a corresponding transcript, please answer these questions. First, what words of encouragement might you share regarding your classmates' progress thus far? Second, based upon the reading and study assignments you have reviewed in the course, what advice can you provide for communicating about delays to stakeholders? As instructional designers, you must also be aware of ADA compliance laws, and this is why you will be including a Word document transcript in addition to your audio recordings. Next week in Module Week 6, we will explore engaging and peer assessment throughout the instructional design process. God bless you all, and I hope you enjoy a fantastic 5th week of learning in the course.